Okay. Yeah, it is big problem. Okay, that's why I'm not interested to make video. Okay.
Okay, let's start. Okay, so good afternoon, Israel.
Yes, yes, good afternoon, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Yes, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing so well, sir.
YouTube journey is going.
All right. Okay, my YouTube journey. You are asking me about my YouTube channel.
Yes, how it is going on.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's great. I'm so happy because my YouTube channel is going on very, very well. Okay. I have completed watch time and the subscriber, but I'm not able to get my channel monetized. But I'm getting okay
Hmm.
uh to get channel monetized just because of you. Okay, and you are getting me supported. Okay, definitely it will be fine one day. After that, I will be happy.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'm not getting time to make video nowadays because I have not been doing practice since Escape app shut down.
Hmm.
Isn't it? When we were using Escape app at that time, we were getting people a lot.
Hmm. Yeah, you
So
are
we are
right.
not getting partner. No, just because of partner, we are not able to make video earlier, right?
Yes, right. So, Israel,
Mm-hmm.
uh, of course, it is no doubt that we are here and we are talking about in English language. So, here, like now your fluency is amazing and also mine, so now we must share this uh, fluency of ours to beginners and to other people who are learning this language. So first thing first, I would like to ask one question that you also have like practiced a lot. So how did you practice and how much time did you give yourself, and also
Mm-hmm.
uh, like did you take any class and what did you do in order to become fluent in English, and how did you overpower this language? So of course I have a of question for you, so please reply of these.
Definitely, definitely, I love to share my journey.
Hmm.
So when I was beginner, so I
Hmm.
was facing lots of problem because I was not figure out in grammar and I didn't know anything about grammar. Where is used is do, does, have, has, so many things. Okay, so I was not able to aid anything.
Hmm.
So I took class. Okay, that and I had to learn grammar first of all that I would comprehend everything. Okay.
Hmm.
After learning grammar, I got to know everything that now I can make sentence. I can
Hmm.
talk with people.
Hmm.
Okay. And if I say about practice, so when I was beginner, so I still could say I was not able to speak my daily routine.
Hmm.
Okay. First of all, my teacher, I mean, you can say my teacher, told me that you have to speak, daily routine every day.
Hmm.
Okay. So I was speaking my daily routine every single day.
Hmm.
And after that, I was able to speak daily routine. Then gradually, I learned everything.
Hmm.
Okay. I took class, that I took class from you. So you are definitely you have a good way to teach, definitely. And who are beginner and who is beginner. Okay, they don't know anything. They don't know grammar, that how to speak, how to get fluency. If they have interested to learn, you can say English, definitely and they are watching my video. So I would say that they must take class from you.
Hmm.
Okay, because you are not taking too much fees. Okay, your fees is very cheap. Okay, and and you have a good method to teach.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you so much, Israel. But
and
thank you so much for that. And so, my one more question I have to ask. So, did you like face problem? Like, did you feel bored while practicing? Like,
yes, yes, it happened with me when I was beginner. So I used to I used to practice every single day. So sometimes I felt very bored. Okay, sometimes I think. I used to think that, okay, I should leave this journey. I'm not able to learn this language because it is very boring journey. Okay, so I can't learn this language. So I got angry one day, and I left, for 2 months. Okay, after 2 months, I started regretting, and I thought, oh my God, I don't have, I don't have work, so only I am scrolling Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Okay, and I'm not doing anything, better in my life. Okay, in my future. So I thought, no problem. If I do practice, if I learn, okay, English, so definitely one day I will speak. So I had believe in myself. Okay, and I collected, courage, because at that time I did not have courage. Okay, so just because of, practice, I'm here, and because I'm speaking English. And thank you so much. You told me that your fluency is good. Okay, so I'm so happy, because anybody say about beginner. So beginner must have patience.
Hmm.
English
Correct.
takes time. English takes time.
Hmm.
Okay, takes
So
time.
yeah, of course, it takes time to become fluent English, and people must keep patient. So one more thing that, like most of the people think that I don't have environment, teacher, and nobody has to make me practice.
Mhm.
So is all the things necessary for us or not, or whether should I think that okay, I'm from village, so I should not learn English. So like this type of like mindset we have. So how can we start learning English if we are alone and outside the city? So what would be
Mhm.
your suggestion?
First of all, I would like to say that, they should change their mindset.
Mm,
Okay,
mm,
because nowadays we have social media, very well. We
mm,
have everything. Okay, if you search anything, okay, on the YouTube, definitely, within a second, you will get.
mm,
Okay, and
mm,
we can do practice if you have passion, if you have desire, if you have determination, dedication, that one day I will speak English, and I will learn English anyhow. So definitely, you can learn this language. Okay, and if you are not learning English, you say I don't have environment, there's no one who is speaking English with me, so you are making excuses nowadays.
mm.
Okay, just you go to chat GPT, anything, okay, Google Translate. Okay, and there are many apps, Hybro, Seco app. Okay, there are many apps. Okay, where you can practice, where you can, improve your English. Okay, and if
Mm,
you want to learn, you can say free of course. Okay, so you have also option, isn't it? You go YouTube, search anything, learn first of all grammar, okay, and after basic grammar. After they try to speak English, isn't it?
of
Hmm.
course. I
Definitely you can improve your English. There is no doubt, and
Yes,
this is my personal belief.
perfect, perfect, Israel. Of course. So Israel, from where should we start? Like suppose I'm a beginner. So what should I do first?
Okay, it is my personal belief that when I was beginner, so first of all, I learned grammar. Okay,
Mm,
because without the grammar you can't make sentence.
mm,
Okay, if you
correct.
have grammar knowledge, then you can make any sentence. If you don't have, then how we can make, right?
No, of
First,
course.
they should start from grammar.
Mm,
Okay, not going to they should learn advanced grammar. They should learn basic grammar. Okay,
correct, correct.
there is used, can say do, does, ism, are, has been, have been, did, was, were, okay, had been, will be, will have been. We must have knowledge. After that, we are able to make sentence. Okay. After that, if you want to take class, if you want to go beyond, definitely, you meet any teacher and you should take class anywhere. Okay.
Yes. So of course, Israel, suppose now I have come above the beginner level. So now what I need? So because now I have learned grammar, so what should I do now further?
Yeah. Definitely, you can say nowadays. You know, Alhamdulillah, we have become a teacher and we are teaching. Okay, and we have some students that we are teaching, so we are so happy just because we know hard work. Earlier, we were no teacher, so I'm saying, we should learn advanced vocabulary as well as idiom, some phrases where is used. We have to learn advanced vocabulary. Okay,
Mm.
and when you teach that, we at that time you can, you can use. Okay, when you make conversation, at that time you use in your conversation. Okay, this
Mm.
way we learn lots of things, idiom
Yes,
and phrase. Okay,
right,
because
right.
nowadays we have learned all basic. Okay,
Yeah,
we no need to learn basic because we have already. Okay, but we need more advanced vocabulary, idiom and phrase. So we should learn one, two, every single day. Okay, if you have time, then you should learn three. Okay, it depends on you. Okay,
yes, yes.
because I have seen, there are uncountable idiom, phrase and advanced vocabulary. Okay,
Yeah,
you want to learn, in a whole life, we can't learn. Okay. Hmm.
yeah, absolutely. And Israel, something is like here, like most of the people they know how to speak English and they know grammar as well. But the thing is that they don't speak because they have little bit fear. Maybe they feel shy in front of people. So I think we must remove our shyness and hesitation, fear. Of course, if you just speak, sometimes it happens just because of our habit. We can't speak in front of people
Hmm.
alone. I know English, I can speak English, but when it comes to speaking in front of people, we just become mute. Why? Because we don't speak. You don't have dare, so just speak. Like of course you have to face challenges. If you
Hmm.
are, if you are not ready to face challenges, so like of course you are going to become spooky, like timid person, like that, so you should not do
Hmm.
that. So
Definitely, definitely.
nowadays we can get inspired by so many people, and on YouTube we can watch so many videos there. People are in the market and in like any kind of open area, they are speaking English, though they are speaking not proper English, but they are speaking because
Hmm.
they are moving their fear. So this thing makes you strong. This thing like gives you like lots of motivation that yes, now you are perfect, you can speak, now you don't have any fear. So this thing is also important for any kind of beginner and advanced level learner, because sometimes it
Yes,
happens
yes, definitely.
learning grammar and lots of things, we don't speak and we just think that I can't speak because you feel shy. Earlier I faced lots of difficulties, like having conversation with others on YouTube or maybe on other application, but that time I had a fear, thinking that oh, they are teacher trainer and now
Hmm.
I'm talk to them, how can I talk to them, because I,
Okay.
it's not like that I didn't have knowledge. Of course, I had knowledge and all the thing, but inside there was some fear. But yes,
Okay.
after talking a lot and after talking to some stranger, I have removed my all kind of fear and shyness, all type, all thing. Now I am able to speak. So what if I hadn't faced that problem? So I
Hmm.
would have speak here. So
Definitely.
of habit. So I must say that people make habit to speak, no matter where they are. Just
Hmm.
open your mouth and speak.
Definitely, and it happens with everyone, starting time. Okay, but if you are doing practice every single day, and if you have interested to, make conversation with trainer, tutor, or can be YouTuber, so gradually you can say you can remove your fear, hesitation, and shyness. Okay,
Of course.
gradually.
I would like to say here that we are not here like highly qualified. As
Hmm.
they are speaking fluently, so they must be from any English medium school and somewhere else, and they must have learned English from any tutor and they here and there. But nothing like that. We are also from village area, like there is no environment, nobody is here to guide us and this and that, but
Hmm.
we are speaking because we have worked a lot. So don't think. I would like to say to other people that don't think that until we have good environment, teacher, we can't become fluent in English. Of course, you can become fluent. Uh, of course, you can become fluent speaker. So this
Yeah,
is
definitely, definitely. Okay, and it is reality. It is reality. If you are doing practice, if you do practice every day, definitely you can get your fluency. I have seen many people who were beginner at that time. Okay, they had fear, hesitation. They were not able to speak. But right now, when I go to on YouTube, then when I watch it yesterday, when I watched his video. Okay, then I shocked. Okay,
course. Habit
okay.
makes you perfect. Habit
You
makes
have
you.
to make habit.
Hmm.
You have to make habit to speak every day 1 hour. Okay,
Yes.
definitely. And you will learn so many things within a one hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not like that we have to speak lots of words, lots of idiom phrases, nothing like that. See, we have to speak only some structures and maybe some basic words which are used in day-to-day life. So that thing
Mm-hmm.
on these things you have to practice that. Okay, like how can we talk? So when you are listening any person, so of course you are listening to them properly. So what they use same grammar, the same words every day. So do you have to do the same like that. Don't think that, "Oh,
Definitely.
until
Mm-hmm.
I idiom phrases this structure that structure I can't speak." You can speak with the help of tenses.
Mm-hmm. Definitely, I'm totally agree with you and whatever you said. Okay, definitely. Without facing challenging, we can't do anything, and we can't go beyond in our life. We have to face challenging that we can learn anything.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Israel. It was lovely conversation with you. And
Okay.
so,
Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time.
yes,
Okay.
so
And we will meet again. Okay. Then thank you.